to my video today. It's a quick video just to share with you guys a few things that's happening this month. And one of the big things that always happens at the beginning of every month is my online class. This is the Blessed2Ctaft Make and Take Monthly, and it is just basically my online class. So this month, when you are part of the club, you will get a brand new annual catalog. This is the beautiful brand new catalog. There's lots of fun products in here. I'll be doing a complete walkthrough of the catalog once it goes live for next month. If you are wanting to see this or get any of the product out of this catalog right now, the best thing that you can do is sign up to become a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. It doesn't mean you have to do anything crazy. It just means that you get to order stuff early and you get a discount on it. So I do have some items that I've purchased. I will be sharing that on tomorrow's video. So join me on Friday and you will see some of the items that I picked up from my pre-order. But if you're part of Blessed2Ctaft or you get the online class this month, you will get a catalog in your package. This month, I'm really excited. I've been planning this class since January of the beginning of the year, this January, the beginning of the year, when I saw this beautiful pattern paper. So normally when you are part of Blessed2Ctaft, you get a quarter pack of whatever pattern paper we're using for the month. And this month, instead of getting a quarter pack, you are actually getting a half a pack of pattern paper because this paper was exclusive to celebrations. And that means that you could get it free with a $50 order. And what I did is I used all of my celebration rewards during that time to get only this paper so I could offer it in April because it coordinates with this stamp set and this bundle right here. So the dies and the stamp set, it goes beautifully together, right? So this month, everybody will get a quarter pack of designer paper. And I love it. I love this. The colors, the style, I love it. So you get a half pack of the pattern paper when you sign up for Blessed2Ctaft. That is the make and take portion of my online class. So my online class includes 8 to 12 projects every single month, and those you get to see digitally. They don't come with a kit, but then if you want to make a little something for the class, you can sign up for Blessed2Ctaft and you get a make and take packet. And those make and takes this month look like this. There's this one right here. There is this card here. Look at the beautiful hexagon texture. I love that. So this one here, and then this one here. And has that beautiful texture again. When you get the make and take, you get product. So you usually get a quarter pack of whatever designer paper, pattern paper we're using, and then you get some embellishments. This month, you are going to get the hexagon, the hexagon embossing folder. If you already have this embossing folder, all you have to do is let me know and I will swap it out for one that you don't have. And then the other item you're going to get are these brass butterfly embellishments. They are beautiful and a lot of fun. And then you will get a kit to make these cards here and then access to all 8 other projects. This month I will be making 4 fun fold cards, 4 one sheet wonder cards. I always do a scrapbook page, a memory keeping page. You will see that. And then there are some perks of being a part of Blessed2Ctaft and getting the make and take. The first perk is, of course, you get the product and the make and take items so that you can craft along with me. But you also have the option to pick up any of the products that I'm using that month. So this month it's a bundle. And when you do that through Blessed2Ctaft, you don't pay shipping or tax because it comes right in your club package. So that's a nice perk. When you sign up, you will get a welcome kit from me. It includes a pack of dimensionals, a reward sheet, and a little pouch. And then every 6 months that you're a part of it, you get a 6-month gift, which is $15 in product that I send you. So it's fun to be a part of the Blessed2Ctaft Make and Take Monthly. That goes right along with the class because you get so many fun goodies with that. If you want to just purchase the class, the digital class, and not have any of the physical product, then you can do that for $45 and you will get all the digital product. So you'll get the PDF, the colorful PDF that has all of the projects. You will get all of the videos for all of the different projects, which is always fun. And then as always, when you spend $50 with me in a month, so if you place an order and your order is $50, you will get the digital class. So you'll get all of the content. You get a Simply Sweet tutorial bundle that features 12 amazing projects. And then you also get whatever my ordering special is. So the best way to get the very most from for your money is to just place an order with me, which I appreciate so much. So these are the projects. You can check out the YouTube description below to see all the options to where you can purchase this or join us. I will also have a blog post up that will feature photos of these and then all of the information as well. I hope you guys are all having a great Thursday. That's when this is going to get posted. I'll be back on Friday to share with you my pre-order, what I decided to get and why, along with a creative project, because I need to get back to doing some creative things. It's been a little bit crazy with new catalog and ordering catalogs and prepping all of that, as it always is. So I am looking forward to getting back to digging in and getting crafty, right? So I hope you guys are having a great day, and I will chat with you guys tomorrow when I see you in my next video. Much for checking out my video today. I hope you will like this video and subscribe to my channel. Here on the screen are 2 other videos that I have recently put together. I hope that you will check those out, and I hope you're having a wonderful day.